I have found an incredible way to make these chocolate chip cookies in less than 5 minutes. It's a Refika technique and I strongly suggest you to watch this video. Before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel because it's a marvelous one and I don't want you to miss any fun, any good information that we are giving here. So please subscribe. We're looking forward to it. Now, we have two. In Turkey, we call these lavash bread. You can call it wheat tortilla, flour tortilla. These are 65 grams, 130 grams, two of them together. We're going to use this as a dough. So it's a Refika technique. And with this technique, you can do many stuff. So I'm tearing these like this. If they're a bit dry, it would be even much better. And I'm adding this to my small food processor. I don't know whether this is this a food processor? I'm learning from you guys. You tell me. In Turkey, these are usually known by the brand. So, to this, because it's like cooked dough, I want to take it back to its origins and make it a dough. To do that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of water, like this. First, it's small bits like this. At this stage, don't give up. Go on. We want to make it like a dough. Now it became something like a dust. To this, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of tahini, but if you're not a tahini person, you can also add peanut butter without added sugar. You know, the real peanut butters for the sports people use. To this, I'm also adding 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. This is also going to give like crunchy feeling, and you know how chocolate chip cookie, you know, falls apart. Sugar has a role in that too. Also, to make it into a dough, a tablespoon of butter. And that's all. And putting into this my small processor again and make it work. One of the mostly asked questions is which products that I should use in the kitchen. These food processors are very much used in Turkey, but I've found out in the United States and Europe, these are almost never used, but these are very easy to use when you do small choppings and as the families are shrinking, as number of people living in the house is less, this is the thing that will save your life. So keep in mind, and it's better if the container is small and there are at least 2 pair of knives. So I kind of made the machine do the kneading. It's almost ready. Now it looks like this. When I squeeze this in my hand, it becomes like a dough. And it tastes really, really nice.
Can I eat before you cook?
Yes, you can eat it right now. It's already cooked. So the dough is ready. The second part is the chocolate chips. So I'm using dark chocolates, around 40 grams. And with my knife, I'm going to roughly chop it. There will be small chunks and there will be bigger chunks. But you
Does it have to be dark chocolate?
No, I believe it goes well together, so it could be this or it could be milky chocolate, as I know that you all guys like. And now I have 30 grams of roasted, not salted peanuts. They could be salted as well, it also tastes nice. I'm also roughly chopping them. So, I'm going to first put the mixture, roughly squeeze it like this, and add chocolates and the nuts, and just to bind them and make them stick together, I'm going to knead them for 30 seconds. I do not knead it very much. Why? Because in how wheat works is, if you knead so much, you wake up the gluten, which makes it gummy. For the cookies, you want them to like fall. You want it to crumble in your mouth. So I knead the dough for about 30 seconds and it becomes something like this. This is, would you like to taste it? How does it feel? Now you can eat it like this, or you can like slice it and then make it into a shape of a cookie, like this. Some of the recipes, when I try to invent them, because this is like a really big shortcut, you can use this for this recipe, but also in your mind, you can get this little salty dough into other shapes. You can make another salty or maybe a bit chili cookie or something, or use it in different ways. To be able to discover it gives the chef, to me, a really big satisfaction, and for a week, I'm happy and I smile to people. That's how...
You like to invent.
I like to invent. When I was in high school, I was the physics and the maths person, and I liked inventing there. And now I do the cookies. So now they go to the oven. Upper and lower heat is on with the fan. It's about 250 Celsius. And I put it in the second level, almost close to the upper level. In 4 minutes, the cookies are going to be done.
Can I use microwave?
Probably you can use microwave. I'm never a microwave person. I never suggest you to use microwave. So it mingles with the cells, etc., etc. So I tried doing this on the stove top. It doesn't work when it's just plain. You can use the pan and add the baking paper, and then you can make it that way. But it's never as good as how it's done in the fridge, in the oven. While it's there, I would like to show you some other thing, and that is this. This is cookie dough. What did we do with it? We froze it.
So it's the same cookie dough, but you froze it before.
Yes, but not so much. Like 2 hours in the fridge.
For what?
For eating like this. Now I'm going to make you taste it. Isn't that a trend in US like this?
I remember I saw like cookie dough recipes.
Before the plate is full, he started to eat it anyways.
What they are doing?
It's a bit cold, so it's so good.
I don't know if it's come from the lavash or peanut, but saltness is just perfect.
I think it comes from both.
Banana also would great with this.
That's why we have the bellies, babies.
Turkish belly.
Turkish bread. This goes to Mrs. Bahar Chapter, from the chef to the director. Now the cookies are here. Woo! Can you hear this sound? Sizzling. Now.
This is the fastest chocolate chip cookies I've ever seen.
It is. Actually, we have ready-made store-bought chocolate chip cookies as well. And I would like you guys to taste it. When these things are freshly out, they're really soft. I put them on the wire rack to cool down, and not on the plate, because on the plate when it's cooling down it gives out water. Instead of making it crunchy, it will become soggy. So we don't want it. Enlightenment moment. But the enlightenment moment hasn't finished yet. Now I'm going to make something small. There is also one more tortilla here. A smaller one, and this recipe will come to you, Tunç. I'm going to throw this to the tray and into the oven for 1 minute. The bottom side is now changed a bit of color, and on top now I'm going to put some chocolate.
What they are doing, Refika?
I think you have figured out what I'm doing. I'm going to put 2, then I make, I know it's kind of stupid, cookie dough pizza it
It
becomes.
makes me horny.
This is what I was trying to do, make you horny. Anyway, so these are the chocolate chip cookies. This is one of the chocolate chip cookies that are sold in Turkey. One is like this, the other one is like this.
Hello.
Çok güzel.
So, store-bought, not the great version one, but in Turkey we aren't able to find so much. So, this is the one that you can make in really 5 minutes. So you decide which one to do it. If you want to go crazy, enjoy it with your boyfriend or something, or have a bad breakup and you want to make up for the things that you have lost, this could do. Or if you're an ice cream person, the summer is coming, you can use this instead of an ice cream, or you can use it with ice cream. You decide. All good. So, this is it. I hope you like what we're trying to do for you guys. We want to keep the recipes as simple as possible, but give small details that you cannot find on the other YouTube channels or on the internet. Even you can find, not so much fun. So, we are doing all our best. If you like this video, please do not hesitate to press like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. There's a shortcut here for subscription, and there's another video of how to make cheese from scratch here, so you can go to that. That's all. Bye.